Hi guys, Bert from Yiannimize here. Behind me we've got something a little bit different. If you watch our previous video on the VW Polo, I did say we take on anything pretty much with 4 wheels. This has actually got probably more than 4 wheels, but we've taken it on anyway. So this is for our friends over at Merch. These guys have the license and everything for Coca-Cola. It's already bright red. They want all the Coca-Cola decals all over the side of it and at the back and at the front and everything. We've said yes. Somehow going to figure out how to get this thing into our unit because it's massive. But check it out.
Got a chair and a TV. Yeah, but there's no Coke in here. I want some Diet Coke, you know, losing weight and that.
I'm getting
We're going to be pulling this bus inside the workshop, but they're like deflating the tyres as slow as possible.
We're lowering this to the ground.
Right, Chris, stay there just in case I got to tell you to stop. I tell you to lock it this way. Just keep it coming nice. If you hear a bang, you stop. You got this, don't worry. Come, hard there. Let's go, Terence. Straight, bruv, Ella.
Do you want to get a bit closer? I've just reversed this bus into bay 3 with 6 flat tyres, and there's probably about quarter of an inch spare.
It's a tight one.
Flipping out, look at them wheels, Coz.
Bit flat, isn't it? But yeah, bit of clutch control, 6 flat tyres.
That's my boy.
Get them in.
Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in.
Okay, so as you can see, the bus is in, but it's about this far out still. So when we go home, we're gonna have to pull it all the way back out again just to close the shutter.
Life has been gorgeous. Wake up the clear, my eyes have recorded. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no swinging and miss, got me hitting these licks. I get the orders, don't get it distorted. Disconnected, I've been cordless, I've been cordial, I've been exploring. I got
out here, I'm helping Naomi. We're just drying off this truck, getting it ready so we can lay the graphics on. It's freezing, man. I can't feel my hands.
We couldn't afford to wait. Pushing and scraping that was so ages, we blowing on grapes. All of a sudden we made just the end.
It's cold out here, but
now I'm going hard enough that the streams will lead to all of this done with the speech. Filling my pockets for now, for later. I want the picket for some sign of the neighbors. I used to skip out on the payments. Nowadays I tax for the labor.
doubling up.
I'm working here as well, I'd say. And now I've got one jacket.
This is why you own the place. Come on. There we go.
You save some money.
Hey.
You can see it. When you look into my eyes, when you look into my eyes, you can see it in the ground all day. Life been going my way. Life been going my way. On the grind all day. Life been going my way. Life been going my way. Yeah, the word on my back like a madness. Lit down the ashes. Shit do not come with no practice. Recipe, passion, and liquor with God in the passenger. Prayer to crashes. I'm in my basket. Blissful but ignorant. I'm dapper but ratchet. I play around in the traffic. I take the risk. Look at me stack up the chips. I play roulette with the magnet. Right till I die. I'm not afraid of the casket. I'm on the run. I'm chasing the thrills. I'm hungry. I'm starving.
So we are sticking stickers onto the back of the truck. I've done it all by myself with no help.
You going next door?
Seriously, I'm going next door.
You done?
Why?
Go. With help of Mark.
Hey.
So this is the back of the truck. I've just finished laying the vinyl, so now we're going to move on to the side.
So Mark and Naomi are cracking on with Postman Pat's van. She's big, and the problem is, she actually doesn't fit in the unit. The back is maxed, and the front is hanging out. So they're having to work in a bit of cold. This is why we don't do vans, guys. However, the owner of this has had a lot of cars wrapped with us. So before people start trying to book their vans in, he must have had 6, 7 cars done. So we agreed to do this. I don't know why. I don't know why I agreed it, because now I'm regretting it. But Mark and Naomi are staying late to get this finished. Good luck. They're that serious. Good luck.
Cheers.
So we stayed till midnight last night to get this done, and we was here early again today. Finally it's completed. Very relieved and very tired.
Two things you don't normally see outside Yiannimize. First thing is a truck, which we've wrapped with Coca-Cola livery, and the second thing is me in a hoodie. It is freezing cold. We've just completed this. It's about to leave to go up to Birmingham. It's owned and operated by our friends over at Merch Limited. We'll put all their social tags into the bottom so you can see what they do. Coca-Cola truck, it's iconic. It does what it's supposed to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Share, subscribe and like as you normally do. Click the bell icon, do whatever else it is that you need to do on the YouTube side of things as well. Follow what we do.
Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
Hey man! Shut up! Clean the van! Sorry, Tel.
La 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 la.
Coca-Cola.